Digital sky, dreaming of lines where the wild things fly. Tiny plastic motors buzzing in the room, crashing on the carpet waiting for the bloom. But the sticks start to click, the muscle memory grows, from the simulator screen to how the real wind blows. Solder the joints, flashing the frame, carbon and steel, we're changing the game. Lipo is charged, the goggles go down, clear prop on switch, leaving the ground, spinning up, lifting high. Watch the horizon, twist in the sky. I'm learning to fly, up to 100 miles an hour in the sky, chasing the lines where the legends have been, following sharp who missed the steel on the screen, through the smallest gaps, cutting the breeze, proximity rushing right under the trees. We touch the sky. Badwolf is learning to fly. disarm.